Finishing your T-28 floats by Seaplane Supply. Open your box and you will find 2 foam floats and 4 carbon fiber tubes. Drill a 7/64 hole through the main spar that lines up with the rear spreader to accommodate the main gear of the T-28. Make sure the hole in the spar lines up with the rear spreader and the spar does not stick out of the float. Use Gorilla Glue or epoxy to glue in the main spar. Be careful to avoid the spreader holes. Spin the spar to spread the glue. Use a piece of wire to align the hole in the spar with the rear spreader, keeping the spar horizontal. Clean excess glue off the float with alcohol. Glue in the spreader using the same technique as the main spar. Keep the floats at 13 1/8 on center. After allowing your floats to dry overnight, they will be ready to paint. Use lightweight spackle from any hardware store. Thin the spackle with alcohol if necessary. With a credit card, use just enough spackle to fill the holes in the foam. Be careful not to fill the inside slots above the rear spreaders, leaving room for the main gear of the T-28. For added strength, sheet the front bottom of the floats with 1/64 plywood using water-based contact cement. When the spackle dries, sand the floats using a block or sponge sander. Put thin CA in the base of your brush to keep the bristles from falling out. Hardware stores have latex color samples you can buy for just a few dollars. Thin the paint with alcohol. Here are the foam floats and tubes weighing 2.7 ounces before starting. Painted and ready to mount on your plane, the foam floats weigh 3.7 ounces. Use 2 nylon ties to hold the nose gear in place. CA the ties to the carbon fiber tubes if necessary. The main gear is held in position by the spring pressure of the wire. We hope you enjoy your T-28 float.